Big up Allied Construction and Fuel City for sponsoring this interview. Guys, the clips from today was done by a professional in a controlled environment with all safety protocol observed. Truck Show 2022, a New Year's Eve party that will be held at Woodley Sporting Complex. Title sponsor Fleet Master and Cash Money. I'm Chris from Monk Garage. And we're keeping Truck Show 2022, a New Year's Eve party on December 31st. That is Saturday, this Saturday. Let's ring in the new year with fireworks. Fireworks will be in Maypen for the first time. So the New Year's Eve party will have a list of DJs that were handpicked. The first one we chose was our own Sir Toxic and Little Richie, DJ Shampoozy, and our own also Team Sheller. Alright, let's get into the meat of the matter. The show and shine competition, some of them are Loudest Jakes, Best Interior, Best Exterior, Best Engine Bay, Best Kenworth, Best International, Best Freightliner, Best Peterbilt, Best Western Star, Best Ford, Best Mack, while the exhibition section will take on who can extract or suck out the most gasoil. Each winner of each category will get 50,000 plus a trophy. We are giving away over 3 million in cash. If you have the loudest horn, you get $50,000. Best music, best horn music, you get 50,000. If you can make a rhythm with your jakes, you get 50,000 plus a trophy. If you can roll a rim in a relay and win the competition, you get 50,000 plus a trophy. Even beer drinking, because we are not only catering for truckers. That's why we have the New Year's Eve party. We have to mention that this is a one-of-a-kind experience and event in Maypen, Clarendon. We decorated the roundabout with a truck with a billboard over it. You ever see that before? Never before seen. Go-kart, bounce about and trampoline for the kids, of course, who can carry the best toy truck made in Jamaica. Get 50 grand again. Come and ring in the new year with us with fireworks, truck lights, truck jakes, truck horns. The date is Saturday, December 31st at Woodley Sporting Complex at 10 a.m. Remember, truckers, you can register from the day before to 10 a.m. in the morning. So I want to thank the security forces and everybody that is on board. I want to big up Fuel City, big up Allied Construction. I have to big up Raj and Rajni Construction as well. Big up my rest of my sponsors, Nestle, Gibson Petroleum, Stoplight Wholesale, Stoplight Remittance, JQ's Shipping, Town and Country, Beverly's, Massini, Peter, my Tyco sponsor, Fleet Master, Cash Money as well. Just big up yourself, everybody. We're at Vernon Field, and the clip today is a taste, just a small teaser of what's to come at the next drag rival. Come out December 31st to Woodley Sporting Complex. Come see the fireworks. Boom, see you there.